The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, the latest addition to Toyota's SUV lineup, is a 3-row model offering comfortable seating for all passengers. It is available in 3 powertrains across 3 grades: the well-balanced 2.4-liter turbo gas engine, the efficient 2.5-liter hybrid, and the ultimate performance-seeking hybrid max at 362 horsepower. The Grand Highlander is built on the TNGA-K platform and is designed for comfortable living with a 12.3-inch multimedia display, configurable center console, and wireless charger as standard features. Its interior offers air conditioning controls and individual USB ports and cup/bottle holders in second and third rows, plus heated steering wheel, power folding mirrors, and 1,500-watt power outlets as optional features. The vehicle also delivers performance and efficiency options for everyone. It comes with 3 drive modes with front or all-wheel drive options depending on the powertrain chosen. The Hybrid Max provides ultimate performance of 400 pounds-to-foot torque via an AWD system. The Grand Highlander was designed by Calty Design Studios and manufactured exclusively at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Plant in Princeton, Indiana. More details about pricing and on-sale date will be announced later this summer, making it a highly anticipated addition to Toyota's lineup. With its spacious interior, ample storage/cargo space combined with choices for performance and efficiency, the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander is an ideal choice for active families looking for a cruiser that meets their needs. The Grand Highlander has a number of exterior design elements that make it unique. Its stylish exterior includes chrome accents, headlight wraps inspired by the wings of a bird, and an aerodynamic design. Not only is this exterior style eye-catching, but it also helps provide superior fuel efficiency and performance. On the inside, the Grand Highlander features a luxurious interior with comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers as well as ample storage and cargo space. The Grand Highlander is equipped with the latest in safety and driver assistive technologies. It includes a variety of features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and rear cross traffic alert that work to help drivers stay safe while on the road. Additionally, the Grand Highlander comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which provides additional active safety features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and dynamic radar cruise control. The Grand Highlander also offers a range of entertainment options to ensure every ride is enjoyable for everyone on board. These include an available 8-inch multimedia touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay compatibility, and an available 11-speaker JBL audio system. With its combination of convenience, performance, and safety features, it's no surprise why the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. The Grand Highlander offers a range of customization options to help drivers make their vehicle truly their own. From different exterior color options to interior upholstery choices, it's easy to find the perfect combination. And with its choice of engine and transmission options, drivers can customize the powertrain to suit their needs. But above all else, what the Grand Highlander offers is peace of mind. With its impressive lineup of standard safety features and driver assistive technologies, owners know they are riding in a reliable and safe vehicle every time they get behind the wheel. From its comfortable interior and smooth ride to its array of safety features, the Grand Highlander is perfect for those looking for a reliable midsize SUV that's packed with impressive technology and advanced capabilities. With its combination of power, comfort, convenience, and style, it's no surprise why so many drivers are turning to the new Grand Highlander as their vehicle of choice. Whether you're heading out on your next adventure or commuting to work, there's something for everyone in the all-new 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander is built for comfort, safety, performance, and style, so why wait? Stop by your local Toyota dealership today and take a test drive, or visit Toyota's website to learn more about this all-new midsize SUV. Enjoy a smooth and stylish ride in the new Grand Highlander. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,